Hey, it's Keith here, Katie's Garage. I'm just doing, this is not an advertisement. I see a lot of channels that I watch that advertise AG1, athletic greens, right? So, I've seen them all, so I decided to give it a try and check it out. So, here we are. This is the box you get. I just opened. You're going to need a smaller cabinet, okay? Comes with some book. I guess it tells you what's in it. How to drink it. How to make your own, I guess, okay. And here's what you get. So this is the starter kit. So this is the one package. 30-day supply. This is the kit that I got off of one of the channels I watch, and you get free vitamin D and K2. I don't know what that is. I don't know what K2 is. Some other vitamin. And there should be some travel packs here. Yeah, there's 5 travel packs. And then you get a bottle to mix it in. A scoop. Wow, it's actually feels like a metal scoop. It's heavy. I don't know what this is. Oh, I know what you do. And then this is your container. I guess what you would do is take this whole package, pour it in here. Feels like there's another scoop in here. Pour it in here, and then you just scoop it out of here, I guess. And put it in here. This is a nice bottle, nice heavy lid on here. Anyway, I'm gonna mix this up, read the instructions, figure out what I gotta do, and I'll tell you what it tastes like in a couple minutes here. Okay, well, I don't know if I would suggest putting it in this container. I don't know how much I lost. I mean, not that much, but I did lose some trying to get the packet, well, everything from the packet into this jar. So probably would have been better just to take it right out of this package. It also says once this is open, you have to refrigerate it. So I guess what I'll do is I'll just take this whole thing, put it in the fridge. But I want to use this scoop and a bottle. And we're going to make it, and I'm going to drink it. It says here in your instructions to use cold water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some ice in here. Some ice. I'm going to get a little bit of tap water here. Whatever. I'm drinking tap water. It's fine. And then it has measurements here, 8 ounce, 12 ounce. It says 8 to 10 ounce, so 1 scoop. Okay. Fill it up to probably 10. I'll just shake it. Make sure it's all dissolved. And make sure it's nice and cold. So let it sit for a while. Tell you, it doesn't smell the best. Yeah, I don't know what it smells like. I guess it kind of smells like, since I have chickens, it's a similar smell to the dust of their chicken feed. I don't know. I mean, it might have a lot of the same ingredients, so that could be why. A lot of, when I say same ingredients, it's like all plant-based stuff. Yeah, I can't read the supplement facts right there. I can't read that right now. 1 scoop. Oh, it says take 1 scoop, 12 grams. Okay, yeah, and into 8 to 12 ounces. Okay, and then refrigerate after opening. So I will put this whole. I'm just gonna put this whole thing in the fridge. All right, let's see. Kind of foamed up. Actually, you know what? It smells pretty good once the water's in there. It smells different. I don't know if I should let the foam settle down though. So I got about 10 ounces in there. Alright, let's see what it tastes like. Doesn't taste that bad. No, it doesn't taste that bad. Surprised. With the cold water, it tastes pretty good. Just trying to mix it up more. I felt some grainy in there. It's like sandy, so it wasn't dissolved all the way. With the cold water, probably doesn't dissolve as well. Alright, well, I'm going to finish drinking this. I'll try for 30 days, see what happens. See if I feel any better. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to try this and get it. And I should be able to give you the same kit that I have here. It comes with the whole deal. This, the jug, you know, the 1 packet, and there's actually 5. There's actually 5 travel packets here. So if you're on the road, just take this, put in some water, and there you go. And these don't have to be, these are sealed, so you don't just leave them sealed until you're ready to use them. And then vitamin D3 and K2. I don't know what, oh, it's a dropper. So it's a little dropper, I guess you're just, the writing's too small. I need to put my glasses on, I can't read it. Take 1 drop daily, or as directed. You just take 1 drop of this. It's interesting. This is made in Carson City, Nevada. This is made in New Zealand. Okay, well, like I said, if you want to get some, I'll have the link in the bottom. You'll be able to get the same kit. And oh yeah, it is metal. That's definitely this is definitely metal. You hear it? You'll be able to get the same kit that I have here and try it out. Try it out. You know, it's like a 30-day supply you get. Well, plus then you get 35-day supply because you get the 5 little packets. So try it out. Put down in the comments below if you like it. But I'll put in the description, like I said, I'll have a link to this and you can buy it if you want. Alrighty. Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you later. See ya.